So here, if you create any channel, we can delete your channel will be very important. So that is called very important is called. If you come into your video manager option, we can delete the option. Without touching for video manager also, we can delete your YouTube channel option. That is called, first of all, go to video manager. In this option call is here, when coming to channel, here the showing option call is custom URL option. See this one. This is called your custom URL option. In this custom URL, when click for custom URL option, so they go into a custom URL. In this custom URL, just click for your settings. In the setting option, we can use option call. Why? Because the channel name we already they fix. Sometimes the channel will be not confirmed, then not will be deleted sometimes. So that is called, you can go option call is, here will be option call setting. In this option call is advanced settings. Which one? Option call is advanced settings. Click for advanced settings. Just go to scroll down. The option call is delete channel. The option call is delete channel. When delete your channel, automatically delete by YouTube channel and they remove by your Google Plus brand page also. They remove by username, everything. See this one. They remove by username and everything. That is called very important for delete your screen. Once username is confirmed, go to your channel option, video manager, go to channel, click for custom URL, select your channel name. After go to channel settings, the option call is advanced settings. Go to option call is delete your channel. Before deleting option channel, select the all option. Videos, like videos, playlist and subscribe to your channel. This is called very important from the delete your channel.